Your a value is not 1. You cannot complete the square unless it's 1x squared. Positive 1x squared. You have a negative 2. I need to factor it out, which basically means divide by negative 2 to the 2 terms. Okay, why not 3 terms? Because the constant, we're going to jump the equal sign and take it to the right. Okay, so divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. So I factor out the negative 2, and I get x squared minus 4x. This is where my little box number is going to be. I now have positive 18 because I took this over. And then I'm going to put the positive box. Right? You take your constant over the equal sign, whether it's to the left or the right, wherever the equal sign is, but you got to take it to the other side. So because it's minus 18, it's now positive 18. Now, I did not divide the 18 by negative 2. So that's why later on when I get the box, you guys are going to see 2 different numbers are going to go into those boxes. Watch your signs. Keep going. So far so good? Okay, so now I'm going to do my b over 2 squared. So here's my b value. Negative 4 divided by 2 squared is positive 4. Now, that positive 4 will be positive in this box. However, in this one, it's not going to be a positive 4 because it has to multiply by that negative 2 GCF, so it's going to become a negative 8 here. So whenever you're factoring out, because remember, negative 4 came out of here. This negative 4, which is smaller because of that factored negative 2. So what's positive 4 times negative 2 gives me that negative 8. So that's how this goes. This one is different because when you GCF, you have to take that factored out value into consideration. Yes? Yes. Okay, so we're going to factor the left, combine on the right. So you're still going to factor, but you got to make sure you bring this down. So negative 2. And then it's still the same. Once you divide by 2, oh no, it was like a lime green I always use. I'm trying to use the same colors. This number, it still comes down. So x minus 2 squared. So that's still the same. But equal, combine like terms, what's 18 minus 8? Positive 10, right? That's where this one comes. The positive 10 comes from the combining like terms from the original constant. Okay, and now what do? Take that constant back over, and now it is in vertex form. And so there you go. You now have it in vertex form. So remember, what we're doing is we're going from standard form to vertex form. And if any part of this you're like, I get it, you're doing really good. This is totally new. Like I said, im3 students will sometimes struggle with it because they haven't done it in such a while, and then it kind of reappears. And then it has several steps, and they're very distinct steps, and they have to be done in a particular order that students just mess it up. Okay, you try 8, and then I'll eventually solve it out. Try this method. Go over there. Yeah, okay. Can I the video, but you guys know it disappears. It'll come back up. Yes. Okay, let me, just so it doesn't keep going and going. Because I take